Order of operations. Objectives. VBODMAS rule. Illustration. The canteen charges Rs 120 for lunch during regular days and Rs 150 for lunch on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. How much money does Rajesh spend in 7 days, Sunday to Saturday, on lunch? 120 into 5 plus 150 into 2. In order to solve this kind of numerical expressions, we need to learn the order of operations. Numerical expression. A numerical expression is a combination of numbers and arithmetic operators. Simplification of numerical expression. Finding the value of a numerical expression by performing the operations involved in it is called the simplification of the expression. Value of the expression. The number obtained by performing the arithmetic operation in a numerical expression is called the value of the expression. The numerical expression that only has two numbers and one single operation or sign is easy to calculate the answer. Either we add, subtract, multiply or divide. For example, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 12 into 6 equals to 72. If a numerical expression contains several numbers and different operations, then there is a chance of chaos. For example, 2 divided by 2 into 2. In the above expression, there are two operations, division and multiplication. If we solve division first and multiplication next, we get 2 divided by 2 equals to 1, 1 into 2 equals to 2. 2 divided by 2 into 2 equals to 2. If we solve multiplication first and division next, we get 2 into 2 equals to 4. 2 divided by 4 equals to 0.5. 2 divided by 2 into 2 equals to 0.05. So, which is correct? If we consider picking the operations randomly, there is a chance of getting multiple results, which is not meaningful. Therefore, we need a standard rule for picking the order of operations. Therefore, order of operations that is universally agreed is VBODMAS. This specifies the order of mathematical operators. VBODMAS stands for: V stands for vinculum, B stands for bracket, O stands for of or order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. To simplify an expression, an order is followed. First, expression involved with vinculum should be simplified. Next, all brackets are eliminated by simplifying the terms inside the bracket. Here, round brackets or small brackets or parentheses. They are simplified after vinculum. Curly brackets or braces. They are simplified after the round brackets. Square brackets or big brackets. They are simplified after round and curly brackets. Next, the operation of is performed. This operation is like multiplication, that is, it can be performed by multiplying the terms. Sometimes O is also considered for order, which indicates exponents or indices. The division operation is performed after performing the of operation. Next, all the multiplications involved in the expression are performed. Then, all the additions are performed. Finally, all the subtraction operations are performed. Numerical expression 3 into 75 divided by 25. It has both the operation multiplication and division. First, applying multiplication, 3 into 75 results 225. Next, apply division on 225 and 25 results 9. First applying division, 75 divided by 25 results 3. Next, apply multiplication. 3 into 3 results 9. Start divide or multiply from left side to right side since they perform equally. In the numerical expression 87 plus 7 minus 5, it has both the operations addition and subtraction. From left, applying addition, 87 plus 7 results 94. Next, apply subtraction. 94 minus 5 results 89. Suppose first, applying subtraction, 7 minus 5 results 2. Next, applying addition, 87 plus 2 results 89. Start addition or subtraction from left side to right side since they perform equally. The only strange name is orders. Exponents is used in Canada, so they might prefer BODMAS. There is also indices, which makes it BODMAS. In the US, they say parentheses instead of brackets, so it is PEMDAS. Let us simplify some problems. Illustration 1. 25 minus square bracket, 20 minus curly bracket, 10 minus small bracket, 7 minus 5 minus 3 bar. We can solve this problem using VBODMAS rule. According to this rule, first we must solve vinculum part and then brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. First, simplify the vinculum. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. 25 minus square bracket, 20 minus curly bracket, 10 minus small bracket, 7 minus 2. Next, simplify the parentheses or small brackets. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Equals to 25 minus square bracket, 20 minus curly bracket, 10 minus 5. Next, simplify the curly brackets or braces. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Equals to 25 minus square bracket, 20 minus 5. Next, simplify the big brackets. 20 minus 5 equals to 15. Next, do subtraction. 25 minus 15 equals to 10.